All right, welcome back, y'all. Here with the weather forecast. We've got some big news. Tropical Storm Dexter has shifted more away from the farmers, but still some alerts are in effect. We've got two new storms that have popped up behind it, and we're gonna be talking about that as well. So here's the latest. This is as of 11 a.m. Central Time. We've got Tropical Storm Harold just east of Bermuda. That's not a problem for anybody other than maybe Bermuda. And then we've got Tropical Storm Idalia, south of Puerto Rico. And this is the one that's got the long-range forecast cone that extends all the way up into the Gulf of Mexico. But I do want to show you something else. Remember how we were talking about these two areas in the main development region, the MDR, where we expected a couple of storms to pop up? Well, we've got two of them here. We've got Tropical Storm Gert, and then right in the middle of the main development region, Tropical Storm Franklin. So this is what we expected to happen. These are probably going to continue to strengthen, and I'll be talking about these a lot more as we go forward, especially as we get closer to landfall with these two. But they're both currently not a threat to any land areas. But let us go ahead and take a look at the U.S. agriculture here and see what's going on with our crops, because that's important, right? The crops need water. They don't like to be underwater, but they do like water. So we've got some rain in the forecast for some of these areas. Let's take a look. All right, here we are. We've got corn, soybeans, cotton, all doing pretty good. Temperatures are near normal, slightly below normal in some areas. The heat is going to build as we go forward, but we've got some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. So that's good. We've got some fields that are too wet to plant. A lot of the crops are being rained on right now in the Midwest. That's good. We've got some isolated flooding in Texas, but overall things are looking pretty good. There's some disease pressure out there, but overall the crops are in decent shape. Here's the American model on theweather.com, our partner. Watch what happens here. We've got a big ridge building in the west. That's going to bring a lot of heat. We've got low pressure systems moving through the central U.S., bringing some rain to the Midwest, and then watch what happens here. We've got high pressure building in the east. This is going to keep the rain away from the crops for a while. So that's good news. We're going to need that to continue. All right, so as far as the tropics go, we've got two new storms out there. We've got Franklin and we've got Gert. We're going to be watching these closely, especially as they approach land areas. But for now, we've got the farmers on alert. Even though Dexter has moved off to the north and east, the remnants are gone be sliding by and bringing some wind and some rain to the northern Gulf Coast states, and then eventually working its way up into the southeast. So we're going to be talking about that a lot over the next several days. And of course, we're going to be giving you the very latest on Franklin and Gert as well. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.